responded that it's not stipulated that we be here. I thought it's a morning session of the assembly, and all of us are supposed to be in the session, Mr. Speaker.
The concerns raised are valid, but there is nowhere the law tells me who is supposed to be here, and I'm the guard of the law, so I must correct you appropriately when necessary. Thank you, Honorable
Mr. Speaker, the mic is on my side. If I'm allowed, Mr. Speaker.
Right. Allowed.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, the honorable members in the House are the owners of the motion, Mr. Speaker. And the reason as to why we breed in that, our other honorable members to be here, Mr. Speaker, is that when we engage the learned friends, whereby we really very far from the running, as they say, we also felt that they should be here so that they also understand the facts. That's the reason, Mr. Speaker. We have no malice over it.
Thank you.
And Mr.
So
Speaker, we
direct the deputy speaker to the honorable members here.
Mr. Speaker, thank you. You're welcome.
Point of correction, Mr. Speaker. As you directed the Deputy Speaker to bring all the other members, we are, Deputy Speaker is not the whip. The whip is
His powers in precedence, when the Deputy Speaker stands, all the members remain seated, he gets priority. So instead of the Speaker going out, I delegate the responsibility of the Deputy Speaker.
Speaker, it's my time.
Honorable Minority Leader,
Thank you.
Nyaribo'S.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Authorized to associate myself with my colleagues.
We have 3 days to dispense this motion. So we have all the time. I don't see the reason why we are rushing to dispense with this motion. I am not seeing any reason why we are hurrying, Mr. Speaker. I requested that we postpone or we adjourn until maybe the afternoon when everything is ready so that we don't get this kind of stress moving up and down. And I'm seeing a situation where the clerk's office is being stressed. These documents were supposed to be presented from the other end. And this is an embarrassment. When we gave them our motion, we gave them ample time to go through. And now they should have given us their response early enough so that we can also go through. Mr. Speaker, I request that we postpone the whole exercise until maybe the afternoon.
Honorable Samuel Obeto, just clarity from you. Did you get the order paper within 24 hours?
Mr. Speaker, yes.
Did you go through the contents of the order paper?
The contents I went through, except the annexes were not there. And I'm shocked here are the annexes which are not appearing. I thought they were not there. But now they have come. We feel strong, we must go through. That is my request, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you. I want to confirm that every honorable member needs to be furnished with the documents. And our standing orders have timelines, honorable members. And I want to confirm the day the motion was allowed to step in the floor of the County Assembly are 7 days, which lapses today, in the morning sitting, just to clarify before you. The 7-day lapses today at 12:30. We begin our first day in the afternoon sitting. Of the 3 days, we are supposed to dispense of the motion. And tomorrow is not a sitting day, as you are aware. So time is a very key factor in this process. So your speaker is on it. Let's wait for the documents and we will be good to go. Thank you.